Hello there, my name remains Oladapo and I welcome you to the Global Tutor virtual class. Still on our series on WAEC revision, and in this video class I'll be teaching on the measures of central tendencies. Now these three statistics too, mean, median, mode, are called measures of central tendency. So we'll be looking at how we can calculate mean, median, mode for a linear distribution, for a simple frequency distribution, and for a group frequency distribution as the syllabus requires. We'll be looking at how we can calculate mean, median, mode for a linear distribution, a simple frequency distribution, and a group frequency distribution. Now, mean is otherwise called average. So another word for mean is average. And median, another word for it is the middle data, the data in the middle. Then mode is the data that occur the most, meaning the data with the highest frequency. Now, in this video class, we will be looking at how we can calculate mean, median, mode for a linear distribution. Let's look at this example for a start. The scores obtained by 10 students in a test are below: 2, 2, 7, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find Roman figure A, mean score. Find A, B, mean score, B, median score, C, mode score. Now, you want to solve it. Let's start with A. We are asked to find the mean score. So what will be the mean score? The mean score will be, take the addition of all the data. So you have 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. You now divide it by the number of datas that you have. How many datas are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you divide it by 10, which is the number of data. Now, mean is symbolized with this. So you can say mean is the addition of all the numbers. That will give me 42 divided by the number of data, which is 10. And this will give us 4.2. So the mean score is 4.2. Then the next question says we should calculate the median. Now, if we want to calculate the median, big question, the first thing you need to do is to rearrange the data in ascending order, in increasing order. So the least data there is 2. How many times do we have 2? 3 times. So you have 2, 2, 2. Then we have 3. It occurs just one time. Then we have 4, occur just one time. Then we have 5, occur twice. Then we have 6, also occur twice. Then we have 7. So let's count how many datas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, anytime you have the number of datas to be even number, 2 datas will be at the middle. Then you have to find the average of the data. Now, since in this case we have 10 to be the number of data, it means we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 2 numbers in the middle are 4 and 5. So you can now calculate the average. So you have the median equals 4 plus 5 divided by 2. So 4 plus 5 will give us what? 9. Then divided by 2, meaning the median is 4.5. That is the median, 4.5. If the number of data was odd number, only one number would be at the middle. But if the number of data is an even number, 2 data will be at the middle. Then the last question says we should calculate the mode score. Like I said earlier, mode means the score with the highest occurrence. If you look at the data given, 2 occur 3 times, and that is the highest for the score. So it means the mode score is going to be 2 because it occurs 3 times, which is more than the number of times the other scores occur. That is the solution to the question above. Let us look at another question. This question is an extract from WAEC 2019, question 48 to 50. WAEC 2019, question 48 to 50. Let's see the question. The following are scores obtained by some students in a test: 8, 18, 10, 14, 18, 11, 13, 14, 13, 17, 15, 8, 16, 13. Question 48 now say, find the mode of the distribution. 49 says, find the median score. Then 50 say, how many students scored above the mean score? So let's start. The first one, which is question 48. Let's solve that. Question 48. Let's solve question 48. It says find the mode score. So you need to look at it. In this distribution that we have, which of the data occur the highest number of time? How many times the one that has the highest frequency in this data? The one that has highest frequency in this data. We have 8 occur just one time. We have 18 occur twice. We have 15 occur once. We have 13 occur 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the data with the highest occurrence is 13. So the mode would be 13. 13 occur 3 times, which is the highest of the scores in terms of frequency. Then we have number 49. Question 49. Question 49 says we should find the median score. Now, I told you if you want to find the median, all you need to do is to first rearrange the data in ascending order. The list of the data there is 8. So you have 8, comma, it occurred twice, 8. Then after 8, the next data is 11. So you have 11. How many times does 11 occur? Just one time. Sorry, we have 10. There is 10 there. 10, and it occurred just one time. Then we have 11 occur one time. Do we have 12 in the data? No 12. Then we have 13. 13, because it occurred 3 times. Then we have 14. 14 occurred twice. 14 and then 14. After 14, we have 15. It occurred just one time. 15. Then after 15, we have 16 occur just one time. After 16, we have 17 occur just one time. After that, we have 18 and it occur twice. Let us count the number of data to confirm if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's count the number up there to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are the data in ascending order. Now, I told you if the number of data is an even number, two numbers will be at the center. In this case, we have 14 data. So two numbers is going to be at the center. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the two numbers at the center are 13 and 14. So you come down and say the median is going to be 13 plus 14 divided by 2. And 13 plus 14 will give me 27 divided by 2. 27 divided by 2 will give me 3.5. So the median is 13.5. That is the answer to question 49. Question 50 now say, how many students score above the mean score? Watch, they did not ask us to calculate the mean. But we need to calculate the mean to know the number of students that score above the mean score. So for us to calculate the mean, we will come down, we will say, that's question 50. We need to add all the data together. So we have 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 18. Everything divided by the number of data that are collected, and that is 14. So it means the mean is going to be, if you take the addition, you're going to have 188. Then you divide it by 14. So meaning the mean is going to be 13.42. 13.42. But that's not what the question wants. The question wants us to tell them the number of students that score above the mean score. So we need to go back to the data. We have the mean score to be 13.42. So how many students score above 13? If you come here, you will see that the student that scored 18 scored above the mean score. The student that scored 14 scored above the mean score. 18 above the mean score. 14 above the mean score. 17 above the mean score. 15 above the mean score. 16 above the mean score. So how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you go back to question 50, the number of students that score above the mean score will be 7 students. So 7 students scored above the mean score. That is the answer to question 50. So 48, 49, 50 of 2019, these are the answers. So let's look at another question. In 2018 question 27, the question read, find the median of 2, 10, 3, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, and 2. We want to find the median. So how do we solve that? First, we have to rearrange. The least data is 0, followed by 1. 1 occur how many times? 3. So you write it, the number of times 3. Then 2 occur twice. So you have 2. You have 2. After 2, 3 occur just once. So you have 3. After 3, 4 occur just once. You have 4. Then after that, you have what? 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count the number of data you are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this case now, we have an odd number to be the number of data. So only one number will be at the middle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the data in the middle is just 2. So the median equals what? 2, because the data in the middle is just 2. So the median equals 2. That is the answer to 2018 question 27. Let's look at 2018 question 26. 2018 question 26. The mean of 1, 3, 5, 7 and x is 4. Find the value of x. We have been given a data 1, 3, 5, 7 and x, and we are told that the mean is 4. They now want us to find the value of x. So you go down, you have mean equals what? 4. And how do we calculate mean? We usually calculate mean by taking the addition of all the data, meaning mean equals addition of all the data, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and then plus x, divided by the number of data. In this case, how many data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you divide it by 5. Now, according to the question, the mean was given to be what? 4. So it means the mean is what? 4 equals 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, that is 16, plus the unknown value, which is x, divided by 5. So what do we do from here? We cross multiply. So we have 16 plus x equals 4 times 5. So 16 plus x, 4 times 5 give me what? 20. So you can now collect the like terms. So we have x equals 20 minus 16. So your x would be 4. So the data that is unknown, which is x, is 4. The data x is 4. You can try these two questions. In 1989, question 28, 29 and 30, and 2009, question 29. So long, success.